consecutive losses, 9 consecutive wins possible? और अगर ऐसा हुआ तो you all know what's going to happen. That means that the IPL 2024 men's trophy will also come to RCB. I really hope that it actually happens, and the way our team is playing right now, जिस तरह की performances सारे players दिखा रहे हैं, be it the batting department, be it the bowling department, and of course the fielding, it looks very possible. I'm very hopeful. Yes, that means there's a very big hurdle, which is the match with CSK that we have to win, and with the margin. वो क्या margin है, I will let you know in this video. So बने रहिए मेरे साथ. सत श्री अकाल, जय हिंद, नमस्कार everyone. I hope you really enjoyed this match between RCB and DC, which we won comprehensively. So we are here to talk about this match with a little bit of tadka, a little bit of masala, and ढेर सारा मजा. पर इस मैच की बात करने से पहले we have to talk about the match that happened before this match today itself, which is the CSK versus RR match. It was not a very good match for RCBians and we were unhappy. Honestly, बहुत सारे लोग ट्विटर पे ये कह रहे थे कि the match was rigged, it was looking like a fixed match. दोनों teams already fixed match करने के लिए, you know, they have been held responsible for it. They have the history where they can fix matches, और अभी भी वही कर रहे हैं just because they want to give a send off to Thala. All of that was going on Twitter. A lot of people were talking about it. और हाँ, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे भी ये सरप्राइजिंग लगा कि आरआर जैसी टीम जो इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही थी अभी तक टूर्नामेंट में, इतने अच्छे टोटल्स खड़े करके या अच्छे से डिफेंड करके, they were winning the matches. They did a very good job against RCB also. I was very surprised when they were able to only post 141 runs on board, which was very low on the turning chip-off wicket also. और वैसे ही जैसे the Chennai batters came to bat, तो जैसे अपने World Cup में lot of people had said, and even यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने कहा कि भाई second innings में pitch बदल जाती है, कुछ वैसा ही हुआ. The slow pitch became faster and you know they were big hits. Power play में भी अच्छे score गया. Everything was going very smoothly for CSK और decently वो लोग जीत भी गए. So it looked very possible that this could be a rigged or a fixed match. लेकिन RCB ने इस चीज को deterred होने नहीं दिया. Although somewhere it is a real possibility where you know something of this sort is happening. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो match between RCB and KKR याद आ जाता है, जहां RCB just lost with 1 run, and we know all the controversies that happened with Kohli's no ball and so many other things. It was just, it looked as if everything was against RCB and in the favor of KKR winning that match, and that's why इतना स्ट्रगल करने के बाद भी 1 रन से हम लोग हार गए थे वो वाला मैच. इतना ज़्यादा कंपटीशन देने के बावजूद, and it looked like it was only because of the umpires and the bad decisions and everything else that went wrong in that match. और वैसा ही अगर कुछ है तो मैं फिर भी कहना चाहूंगी कि RCB is still against all odds, against the tide, जीत रहे हैं, मैचेस जीत चुके हैं, 5 consecutive wins. और अब मैं ये आज क्लेम कर रही हूँ कि they are going to do 9 consecutive wins in this tournament, which means that they will win the next match, qualify for the playoffs, win the eliminator, win the second eliminator, and then win the final, which means 5 plus 4, 9 consecutive wins for RCB. And if they do that, of course, the trophy is ours. And I am hopeful and I'm very positive that that is possible, because the way the team is playing right now as a one cohesive unit, as a collective unit, they are complementing each other very beautifully. The bowlers are complementing each other, the fielders are supporting the bowlers, the batters are doing a fantastic job. It is not just dependent on Virat Kohli and everybody else failing. All the batters are clicking today. Virat Kohli, in fact, did not really click that well because he did not bat for a long period of time. Although he did bat beautifully, even for that shot, I think it was a 10 ball, 27 runs that he made, which was like more than 200 runs का strike rate. It was really awesome. Amazing strokes for जो sixes उन्होंने लगाए. He is still in form. Yes, Ishant was able to pocket his wicket, लेकिन उसका इतना ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ा, इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ा टीम में, जब कैमरन ग्रीन, रजत पाटीदार ने इतनी अमेजिंग पारियां खेली and they were able to build the total nicely. हाँ, थोड़ा सा लगा कहीं ना कहीं कि शायद maybe a 200 would have been a better margin, a better score on board. Had DK fired, maybe that would also have been possible, लेकिन नहीं हुआ, कोई बात नहीं. फिर भी 47 रन से जो जीत गए हैं, और इसी वजह से अब जो सिनेरियो बनता है for RCB to qualify the playoffs is a very simple one. One is that LSG has to lose one of their matches, one of their remaining matches. LSG has to lose. I think there's only one match remaining, and if LSG loses, they are out of the contention. And then all comes down to the CSK versus RCB match, जिसमें RCB को या तो 11 balls से या 18 runs से victory लेनी है. If they do that, batting first to batting second, दोनों के सिनेरियोज मैंने आपको बता दिए. इनमें से कोई भी सिनेरियो अगर वो कर लेते हैं, या तो जीत जाते हैं batting first with a margin of 18 runs, or they bat second and chase down the total with 11 balls to spare, then they get into the playoffs. That's right. It's a very, very possible margin. It's not much of an ask. कर सकते हैं, possible है, especially अगर batting first करें तो definitely, जैसे आज किया है, पिछले मैच में किया था, they will definitely be able to get the opposition out within the margin and ensure that they get to the playoffs. और एक बार playoffs में पहुंच जाते हैं तो there is no telling, because I believe that in playoffs all team equal. हाँ, जो first two teams होती हैं उनको जरूर advantage मिलता है, where they even if they lose the match, they don't qualify for the finals, they still have one more match before they're completely knocked out of the tournament. But never mind, RCB will definitely get there. Like I said, 9 consecutive wins. ये मेरा विश्वास है RCB में, ये मेरा विश्वास है कोहली में, ये मेरा विश्वास है इस टीम में जिसको मैं इतने सालों से सपोर्ट करती आ रही हूँ, आप लोग भी करते आ रहे हैं. It's a beloved team, it's our beloved team, it's our favorite team, it's beloved by people across the world, and there is a reason why. And the chant, the RCB chant, it's something special. No other team's chant matches up to what RCB's chant is. That RCB, RCB, वो जो chant है, जो जोश और जज्बा वो एक फैन की बॉडी में लेके आता है, कि उसके मन में लेके आता है, वो कोई और टीम का भी नहीं, मतलब कोई और टीम का भी, there's no other team that can match up to that feeling that an RCBian gets when he chants the team's name. And if you ask me, other teams also, अगर आप देखोगे, हाँ, अगर comparable fan clubs हैं तो वो किसके हैं? CSK, but CSK is mostly about धोनी, और धोनी अगर देखते हैं तो they are ready to lose wickets also. The fans don't mind losing wickets, don't mind CSK losing wickets as long as Dhoni comes to bat. अगर वो हार भी जाते हैं तो as long as Dhoni did well, they are very happy. So that's not really a team's fan following, it's more of a fan following for a person. And similarly Mumbai आज की डेट में इतना divided है, जो कि उनकी fan following बहुत अच्छी हुआ करती थी. Fan club of Mumbai is very solid. लेकिन आज की डेट में क्योंकि रोहित शर्मा से कैप्टनसी को लेने के बाद उन्होंने हार्दिक पांड्या को कैप्टनसी दे दी है, तो उसकी वजह से मुंबई फैन क्लब इज सो डिवाइडेड. व्हेन दे आर वेरी हैप्पी इफ रोहित शर्मा स्कोर्स रन्स, and if Mumbai loses, they are happier if Mumbai loses than anything else. So that being the reason, I feel very strongly that the kind of loyalty that RCB fan have for their team, it is unmatchable in IPL, it is unmatchable anywhere else in any other league of any other sport. And so we fans, we deserve that trophy. And I had predicted way back when the women team won the IPL trophy for 2024 that the 2024 year belongs to RCB. So RCB will win the trophy this year also. I mean the men's trophy also. So fingers crossed, that's still going to happen. It's still very much in the pipeline. I mean it takes something. यार हमारी टीम में कुछ तो बात है जो from number 10 spot we are on the 5th spot. देखना हम क्वालिफाई भी कर जाएंगे. मेरा यकीन यही है कि we are going to qualify for the playoffs and we are going to get the trophy. So all the best. Do let me know what you think. Do let me know if you agree with me. And here's hoping and wishing our team really, really well. I shall see you in the next one. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Please do comment any feedback that you have. I will really appreciate your motivation towards me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.